This is the instruction video for PrSpeed. This gives you a chance to play around with the speed and duration tool in Premiere Pro. This is live right now in period 5. Period 5 check-in. Yeah. All right, there we go. A couple of you. Literally, there's just a couple of period 5 students here right now. No, there's more than a couple. But we have a lot of people missing today. Anyways. Here we go. So we're going to go to Premiere Pro, the purple PR. If you don't already have that on your quick start bar, you can go here to Launchpad, Launchpad, and go find the purple PR, Premiere Pro 2024 or 2025, whatever you got, it's fine. Click on it. If you haven't dragged it in already to your quick start bar, and then click on it. And we'll wait for it. It's bouncing. Bouncity, bounce, bounce. This is a fast one. This won't take too long. You can do it with one clip. You can either make the clip on Photo Booth if you want with you and your friends, or you just use one of the clips in the stock video folder in room 31. That's what I'm going to do. We're still waiting here. We're waiting. Well, we're waiting. Oh, here we go. Here it comes. It's been a while since I've made an instruction video live in class. Okay, so we're going to go to New Project. Click on New Project. And we're going to, up here in the top left, we're going to call this PrSpeed. And then I want to click the, for the project location, click the drop down arrow. Click Choose Location. Go to Documents. And I'm going to come down here and click New Folder and call this PrSpeed. And click Create. And click Choose. All right, and then I think I'm good with everything else. I'm going to come down here. I'm down the bottom right now, and I'm going to click Create. All right, and remember, as always, on all these instruction videos, you're in charge of the playhead. You can fast forward, rewind. You want to watch a little, do a little. So you watch a little what you could remember, and then do that. And then watch a little more, and then do that. And then watch a little more, and do that. Just work your way until you get to the end of the instructions. Okay, don't assume anything. Make sure you double check with the instruction video to get all the instructions. I'm covering it all here right now. All right, so we need a timeline. We need a sequence. So we're going to go File, New, Sequence. You should be good now. With whatever sequence you used last time is good. So I'm going to, as long as it's an HD 1080p and 30 frames per second, 29.97 is the same as 30 frames per second, or it might even actually say 30 FPS. That's good. But we're looking for 1920 by 1080 for a frame size. That's the key. All right, and we're going to call this down here PrSpeed. Oh, PrSpeed. I got an S in there. Let me get rid of that. Click OK. There we go. Now, we're going to need a video to play with here. So we're going to go File, Import, and I'm going to go to Room 31. And I'm going to Stock Videos. And I'm going to go to a video I made last year for this assignment. And it is right here. It's the one I'm jumping right here. So it's called Jaffe Fall. You can use that if you just want to copy what I'm doing. Or you can use any of these other videos, anything at all in the stock video folder. Or you can even make your own from Photo Booth, in which case you just can drag it in from the Photo Booth reel, right? If you decide to make your own, you would just drag it in right on in. Okay, just like that. All right. If you did that, you don't need to. You could just use a stock video. All right, so I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to decide. This is an 11-second video. It's going to be a short assignment, so we won't go too long with it. Okay. So, like all videos, we should start with some kind of title slide here. Title, graphic. So we're going to go up here. We're going to go here. Yeah, we're going to go here to workspace. No, we're going to go here to workspaces, and we're going to go to captions and graphics, and then I want you to still use that film title. I like that one because it covers everything we need. So I think it's down here. Film title. Where are you, film title? There you are. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag it and slide it into the video 1 layer right up against the left edge of the timeline. And I can already see this is going to be a short video, and I need to zoom in because I'm at 8 minutes 30 seconds here. So I'm going to go down here. I'm down here now, and I'm going to click, hold, and I'm going to drag I'm going to zoom out. I guess I'm zooming in. I'm going to zoom in to about 36, 40 seconds. That's good right there. And, right, so I'll pause for a second. And I'm going to go ahead and put the playhead in the middle of the film title. Double click on the top, and this is called PR. Actually, you know what? I want you to call it speed and duration. Ooh, misspelled speed. Get that. Bless you. You're welcome. See, there are people here. I misspelled speed and I misspelled duration. There. And I'm going to change the episode name to your name. Put your name in there, Dr. President Batman. Yay. I'm going to click on the selection tool and just kind of tug the name down a little bit. Just kind of move it down a little bit. That's good. Right there. Okay, good. So we'll play for 5 seconds. We got 5 seconds in our video so far. All right, now back to the clip I imported. So I got to put the playhead where I want to, maybe it's right about there. Oh yeah, we're going to have fun with this. Okay, so I'm going to put the playhead there. You decide where you want it. I'm going to set my in, mark my in, and I'm going to play a little bit. Right there. So that's going to be, right? So that's going to be the piece I use. So I'm going to mark my out. I'm going to drag that in and place it right up against the right edge of the speed and, of the title, right? Just close that gap there. Just have it right there. Right. So the first one is just going to play at normal speed, right? So I'm just going to play it. It's going to be normal. All right. Then I am going to drag it in again. And this time I want this one to go faster. So to do that, to get to the speed and duration settings, you're going to right click over the video clip. And you're going to go and look for speed and duration. Speed and duration. And 100% is regular speed. So if you want to speed it up, then you want to make that a bigger number. So I'm going to speed it up to go twice as fast. So I'm going to put 200%. And I'm going to click OK. Notice the footprint on the timeline just went to half the size up, because that video plays much faster now. So let's take a look. So first it goes in, plays it, and then I do it again. All right, there we go. And that was faster. Now I'm going to drag it in again. And on this one, I want it to go slower. So I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go up to speed and duration, and I'm going to click, instead of 100%, I want it to go slower. So I got to make it something less than 100%. I want it to go to half speed. So I'll put 50% in there. Notice now the footprint just doubled in size because it needs more of the timeline to play its slow speed. So first it's fast, and then it's slow. And even the audio will play slower, right? All right, we got regular speed, fast speed, slow speed. The last one will be reverse speed. So I'm going to drag it in again. One last time. I'm going to drag it in again. What a drag. And I'm going to put my playhead over it. I'm going to right click over it, go to speed and duration. And for reverse speed, all you got to do is click the little box here that says reverse speed. You can keep it at 100%. And now it's going to go backwards. It's going to play backwards, including the audio. Pretty magical, huh? All right, so there we go. And you could really get some fun here if you wanted to, like, start messing around. I'll let you play around and see how would you come up with something like that. Right? Boom, boom, boom. How would you do that? I just gave you all the tools you need to do something like that. All right. All right. So, anyways, let's see what you can do. All right. Once you're done, you're going to go File, Save As. See, this was a quickie. File, Save As, and we want to call it, in your documents, we want to call it PrSpeed, and click Save. And, of course, you might have to replace it. Let me see. I want to put a little X on the end of it. Click Speed. Speed. Yes, hang on 1 second. Yes, hang on. Oh, is it missing a tip? Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, I'll fix that in just a second. And, wait, what did I just do? I saved it. Okay, now I'm going to export it. So, File. Make sure you click on the timeline, somewhere on the timeline to get the blue border around the timeline. And then we're going to go File, Export, Media. And you want to go make sure the file name is PrSpeed, and make sure, click on this link up here and make sure it's going into your documents. You can either just go straight into documents, or you can put it in your PrSpeed documents folder. Click Save, and then come on down here and click Export. And when it's done exporting, it'll show you the progress with this window. You get a little box at the bottom right that says you were successful. And then we want to go find your PrSpeed.mp4, right? So if I go to Finder, I go to Documents, and then I go to my well, anywhere, depending on where you put it, right? So PrSpeed folder, where we are, it's alphabetical. Let me get to PrSpeed, and there it is right there, PrSpeed.mp4, right there. You want to submit this to Schoology, to this assignment, and upload this video onto your video page in Wix. Yay, have fun, bye.